Everybody, it is Monday, August the 5th, 2025, 1:05 p.m. Eastern Canadian Time, and we're here at the Insectarium of Montreal, where we're about to do a walkthrough video. Enjoy the video, everybody. So this is pretty interesting, this entrance here. Sort of like a big, long tunnel here.
Jordan, you're gonna just wait, guys. Just wait.
No, wow. I'm just guilty.
So here is probably the main attraction here of the Insectarium. This is the butterfly exhibition, where you can actually walk around with the butterflies flying around out in the open. Beautiful. If you look carefully, sort of resembles the face of an owl. Pretty impressive how nature evolves like that. So there you can see, when it opens its wings, you'll see nice blue color. Means it enjoys a little snack right now here. There you go. Beautiful. So we got some ants here. This is the Mexican leafcutter ant. Looks like they're transporting some items around. Pretty cool. Busy ants. Check out some more ants in a minute here. There's a pretty cool line of them. Just wanted to show you guys some more butterflies here. Now let's check out the ants, which are directly behind us. Look at this. There you go. Very busy ants. Alright, so we're going to wrap up the video here, guys. A couple more butterflies. And there's some more feeding, enjoying some fruit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video here of the Montreal Insectarium. And of course I did another video earlier today of the Montreal Biodome, which is on my channel. I'll post a link to that video in the video description here. And see if we can see some millipedes here. Can't see any millipedes. Supposed to be some millipedes around here. Don't see any. Probably hiding. Oh, there is some right there. There's a millipede. So a good way to end the video, guys. So as always, if you guys like what you see, of course, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. And stay tuned for many more videos like this one. Nature themed and beyond. So as always, guys, once again, thanks for watching. And have a great day, great night. And as always, more videos to come.